Today is Friday. Good morning, happy Friday to everybody. See me have my hat, so you know what time it is. The weather is out and about. I'm not do nothing yet, see them. I'm not be able to fix up, I'm not do nothing yet. So I can't even show my sour face. Coming on next thing, I'm telling me, yo, I'm telling me, yo. Dread girl! Dread girl! Dread girl! I move out. Okay. Yeah. Last night my front wheel dropped off. Never screw up good by the mechanic. I'm telling someone to drop it at the mechanic. Yeah, so this morning I'm away I get ready for come up and a driver come up in a ride to me reach the pony yard. So I'm stop the vehicle, same time husband say, wow, I'm gonna say something right. So same time, turn on back the vehicle. Then turn on the vehicle. The wheel I go wet one side and the car stands still. Ow. So after 3 this morning, literally reach home to get somebody for like watch it for me coming and I left my vehicle. And then broken it and something. I tell you, Jaja. Wagwan. So the mechanic I come back from right now. If you can go see if we can fix it same place. So we can drive it come up. Oh, the struggle. I was scared last night because save me there on the highway. Anyone up on the highway, it would have been a fatal accident because the highway have like it have a elangole like the road no balance and it have a lot of curves and stuff like that. Rasta! That's a lot of curves and stuff like that. So and if me not go fast, it would have been a fatal accident. Trust me. So I have to give God thanks. His angels them guide over me. He have been at the palm of my hand. And I'm so blessed and feel grateful this morning. Darling, the enemy can't triumph over God people. I'm gonna ask you. The enemy can never get the last laugh. Not over me. I know my God favorite daughter, my favorite child. Yeah man, him slap me hard man, cause you know when they have a child, they love that child and that child sometimes they hear you. I have a slap my heart. I say, God, me just step my beatings. I say, thank you, I'm sorry, please forgive me. And him show me how much him love me. So, I'm not complain and I can't complain. Understand? Just have to give him thanks. I'm there, I run go down and I go see what can go on for the vehicle in my man. So, this is the first part of the vlog. Then, you know, I change and beard and look up boat and hot up back and rain. Another episode. But the kind of thing I want to do the vlog in my house today just stay inside because the rain fall. Yeah, the rain fall. Rain fall. Say people, the police them evil and wicked. The police them are not nice. The police them of Belize is so disgusting, some of them. I was so embarrassed and disappointed at them behavior. So put me look on and tell them so the police them literally turned from the other road because them no want to help me and my husband last night. Make them police say hateful so. Jesus peace. Boy, me not lie. The distastefulness of these type of human beings is just, oh, them just evil. The police them literally and one of them stop. Johnny! One of them stop. Well, because my husband did do a favor for him. So then I said, them police are there. Why him get vexed and jump in that vehicle? I don't try to. Him lucky, me never tell him go suck him mother. Because I know so the law said them to serve and protect. And that them for do. Them are going to, you know, like, and a part of them duty for civilian on the roadside. Worse a police officer and protect him and know, so okay then, alright. I could try to see if I can give him the assistance. Me just say I could blast them on the media on the two fuck up, man. Me never ask enough for no money. Me never ask enough for nothing, you know. And that what I'm could happen to anybody, and anybody special. At the tire, a vehicle. Not go let me ask enough for lift me up and carry me home. Why them people are different in other country? I tell them not helpful, them not loving. Some of them just evil. Some of them really evil, man. When I talk some time, when I say, who shall bring down bellies? No, on the actions I bring down on the own country, brother. On the actions, on the attitude, on the dirty mentality, on the back of time attitude. And that I bring down the country, the mindset, the backcross slavery business. They carry down each other. And that I bring down on the country, and not me. Because me I telling you that I do a great job when you go up on the internet and see the video them post up on the dirty disgracefulness and you go up on there type. And that I bring down on the country. That uno distasteful behavior and the dunce back a wall attitude, that is what bringing down the country. As me as an outsider, I look in, I think that look good. Just imagine what outside people them I look upon and say, if me live here and it is distasteful to me, so what do you think other people outside I look upon and say, fuck, I saw them people stay. What do you think? What do you think when other people outside are looking in and see this and see them behavior and them message there? What do you think them I say? Yo, big man thing. Send on a Pinnacle school get education so them know better. Create a different energy and a different nation. Generation have to change. This can't go. No man, this have to change. Something have to do about this. You have to do something about this. Me not like to know. This is not even about Belize or Jamaican or whatever. This is about black people. Black people can't live so. Caribbean people cannot continue like this. This is distasteful in the sight of Father God. We need some love. We need little love, man. I'm telling you. Can't live against one another. We need to learn to love each other. We need to be our brothers' keepers. This is not looking good. I'm telling you. This is not nothing about Jamaican or whatever. And I'm not coming bellies. You need to do better. You have to do better. I tell you, you have to do better, man. It's distasteful. Tell me, Jaja. Let's see, I watch still what go on. Where's humanity? Where's the love? Where is the humanity? Where is the love? Yo. Yesterday when me go up on the road, the man say over hour and him there at the bus stop. And how much vehicle pass him and nobody not give him a drive. Nobody. Them now look. And the bus them take forever to come. Judge. Me not have them out there still, you know. And the girl when on my interview yesterday, somebody contacted me. It's anonymous, don't want to share some stuff for you. Especially for the girl baby. So we're gonna do a follow-up on that. And when I get the stuff them and I drop them off, everybody will see that we're getting assistance and who can help. Let us reach one to make a brighter day. To put a smile on a child's face. So I just sit down and sit and I see bed today. Fuck man. I them a dash, wobbe them a dash, them can't get me down. That is it. I come down and I sit this morning, reach down and now, get Betsy up and running, because I tell you, old Betsy, good old Betsy, Jesus Christ, Betsy. But my charge them got me, so Betsy go up and running again. You see it? So I gotta start her out and then back on the street again, you see me? In the life of a Jamaica living in Belize, road sticky out there, you see it? But they do the right thing still, you know, as I say, love alone, you know. You get me? Hate never win, evil never win, envy never win, have to be love. And the Almighty is love. So I just stay in the streets and get my things sorted out and say I can get my whip up back on our foot again. You know, the public transportation I mean I go breathe. You see me? So my nail takes some come link him tomorrow because when I'm nail drop off, I think I got 2 of them drop off or 3. So can I come link him tomorrow and come get my things sorted out. Him say I'm gonna soak it off and fix me up. Still I'm gonna do French tomorrow. Done some French white on the edge and then something. You get me? I say pretty up and dollop again tomorrow. As I'm say, no filter, raw cut, everything raw, everything unfiltered about Tamara. You don't know the girl who live in a Belize, but the whole of them will run up in a comment section. Them want to be like me. They want to be like me, but the stomach time it's just mad. Be like me. Yeah, the ugly girl. They wanna be like me. Look for me in that people in the city. But I said, good enough. I said, Jesus Christ. If me happy, I'm know it, clap me on. If me happy, I'm know it, clap me on. If me happy, I'm know it, I go really show it. If me happy, I'm don't gotta sit there and do my thing. From my husband down here from 5 o'clock this morning. We don't want tow truck move a bed sick. We can't afford tow truck, you know. Tow truck our $200 and then if you put it in the pony yard, you go pay another piece of food again. Me don't have it. So guess what? You have to watch beds like but yeah man, beds get fixed up. Cause we don't like fix up, then nobody will listen. And if I get in the bathroom, one bag I mix up. Make sure something no well talk up, some bricks up. So let's say I get her fixed up back. Yeah man, you just jump on the whip and speed off. Because no matter what nobody wants to say about me, one thing I can tell them, I beg them nothing. They don't ask me for a favor, nothing at all, and they want to be yeah man, yeah, you can tell me so I just hold my own, you see me? Just know so I say, but I got to wear my $1 clothes them, my $2 clothes them. You don't know, right there so. Yeah man, work with them have till I have what I need. So I stay. That's why them not like me, because guess what? I need no validation from nobody. I beg them nothing. That's what what them going out of the bar and I reason with a girl and I tell her, so listen, ask them about me. Just ask all of them who say I talk about me. If them ever see me come at them yard and beg them a night dinner yet or sleep at them yard or whatever, I don't do that something with them. I hold my own and a one man I take. I can't encourage the woman them and the young females them to have I want my friend to go, oi there. Have a one bag of man, because it's not right, it's immoral. You get it? Oi man there, me push over him cat, you know. Yeah, because I know it's not right. Sexual activity is spiritual. So when you have more than one man lie down quiet with them, depression, state of mind and then something that pass on to you. You get me? So when I see some of my female them, I big it up and I highlight it like a something good. I just laugh. You get me? I just laugh because the moral lifestyle ain't good. It's not healthy. You understand me? And then guess what? You create some youth when the man never want to take care of the youth, them don't know for love. Because enough people will come or born. They never born a man and woman who want the child and say, alright then, yeah, the two will want the baby, so the two will fight hard to make sure so the children and go school. Even if we not deal, we can do co-parent peacefully and loving. You and them left come like it's a battlefield. You get me? Them want kill you, them want everything. my husband, baby mother, yo, the girl don't want him. I should do everything for destroy him. Every fucking thing you can think about. The girl got a coat and she want this and she want that and she don't want him. So you see, him jealous blood clot run. Just took a pussy and see there. It lead to a lifetime of destruction and crosses. She's not nice. You get me? I'm just laugh. Them things they may tell you about. Last night, this morning, somebody called me and tell me, say, oh, boyfriend not come in and rare. And I tell some mama, stop run down man, bridging, just hold your one man. You see me, because if a man don't love you and want you, there's nothing that you can do. Now, give you a little story since that's my outer son. You know, some meet a little cat, she bad for hairdressing and she there with a man. She there with the man there with her. And told the man a reason with me. Me I say, you know, so the man are really too and that was she depend because first thing she not listen. Enough women out there, them no blood clot, listen. Them no listen and this now me for do their bellies and your Jamaica. Enough women out there, delusional. Them very delusional and no care the man I try to show them say, oh, this is what I want, this is what me need as a man, family. Them not here. The man says she will do something and give him attitude and be stinking out of her. She not carry herself properly. You get me? And him tell her say him not like that. And she give him attitude and come back at 2 weeks after and act like nothing happened. The man texts me and show me say she not on film levels. She not carry herself out. Him want she feel look. You get me? She live in her house and dirty, the yard dirty. So how the man I go want to explain that to me? I'm sure that's what she do. Loyalty, and that I talk about. Kill them, never left my side.
No, all the time.
All the time, the dog, them there with me this morning. See it? That's the party, man. Just go on to the bad news. See it? Big up in the rider. Yeah, man, my back lock, man. Don't try the running thing, them. People, them love me. All who then come and attack them, just attack. I'm just a minority. You see me? Look for friend, huh? Doing good. Take out the baby out of the rain.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, you see? Show them love, man. Them can tell you. Love, man. Them can rely upon me. Support them and show them love. You get to me, I say? I don't know it's one team, you know. One lady in bellies have fuck up the place. Hey, I had a wonderful time last night, though, before all of this incident happened. I must pick up my people, them. We had a wonderful time. Yeah. They don't know no matter what the circumstances may be. I don't even fall way outside. All no matter do we happy. And that I kill them. Them vex. Are we happy? Are we outside? Don't it? Yeah, man. I go back for Betsy. The mechanic kind of sort her out, but she not fully sort out it, you know. Him still have to do some more work on it. I hear some nice run there, so the tire will drop off. And I not take a risk with her, so him say him go come pick her up back and carry her go sort her out. Watch it, look how I come out of Betsy and I wind out the window. Oh Jesus, have mercy. This was a day and more. I see the people all in a rain, me I give my vlog. I never seen it like this, all in a rain. For me husband, from 5 o'clock this morning, him left out of the house, you know. Yeah, because the tow trucks at $200. And push park the vehicle park, it will obstruct traffic. So we have to try and make it so we can get it out. Move it and carry it back either somewhere, you know, it not obstruct my traffic or for the police come take it and get record for carry it and go a pound yard and something there. Can't afford for my vehicle going a pound yard there. Crazy. Yeah, yesterday morning I wash her. There's one right there. May I tell you? So I reach back home right now and I'll get some breakfast. I have to get bed safe and running. I can't do without my vehicle, people. Me don't know like me just don't know some people live to tear down people and uplift themselves. You know my mechanic said to me? A while ago, me and him a go down, yo, you do a whole heap of things. You do things, cause to see you just come here and own your own vehicle, live in a nice house and so. And he know me, cause he know me from, I think when me did just rent here, so, I him did actually carry stuff them. Cause me and my husband start off from humble beginning, man. When I say humble, I mean real humble beginning. Like, I look at two burner gas stove. You get what I say? And two suit of clothes. Like, nothing. Genuinely nothing. I'm looking for my husband and I say, let me tell you something. It's not where you start, it's where you plan for go. You get me? That's my husband look at me and tell me say, him never know him could have own bike and him something there. You get me? Because him live with him baby mother for 4 years. 4 years. And him say all him a work, him just not see him way out. You understand me? Because but me tell you something, I say me stand firm in everything I do. Anywhere I put my foot, a success story. I tell you. And no joke and no hype and no because of Jamaican or because of the police. And it's just you, the individual. You understand me? You, the person, have to have that zeal there. Because if a non-progressive man there with a non-progressive woman, it's a struggle. You understand me? If a non-progressive woman there than a progressive man, it's a struggle. A two have to want it and a two have to willing to fight hard to get it. Because I'm not lie to you, my husband is a born fighter. Big up my mother and like all of the you grow a good son. One bless you. You understand me? Big up my in-law, NR. Brother-in-law, you got her back 100%. Big up my sister-in-law, Felicia. You understand me? The unity is there. I can't complain. This morning, my husband called him brother in the house and tell him, say, your daughter go on, what I go on. And NR was there like Captain Planet and Thundercat. Yeah, man, him run out, man. You see me? Him stand 10 toes from business. What is it, baby? You get me? Thanks. Stand 10 toes from business and him make sure, say, we reach home safe and any little thing, him say, yo, call me. If anything, wanna call me. Anything, wanna need help, call me. You get me? That's what families are for. We're supposed to help each other when we are go through certain things and be there for each other and support each other and show love. You get me? And I've seen that in my in-laws, them so they're very supportive. And look at thing, my husband, I go through, them jump out. And mother, trust me. That's why I tell young girls, find a man who, them, even if them father and them have a close relationship, make sure them and them mother have a close relationship. Because you see, trauma, because not for the time we don't understand sometimes, and because we can't sit down and talk to our mother about what we are going through and how we feel. You understand me? You just need somebody who can reason with, and the fittest person you don't want is your mother. You should try to help.
Mom, do you carry fix?
For you.
Wait, they don't have mechanics.
Downstairs.
So when my dog finish
I'm not come to I'm still got basic here. Is it man? So, the real have to do with the upbringing. My husband left high school and failed Spanish and the mother sent him back to college. And so go back to do what you need for them. He have an associate degree. Love that. His father was there, but he wasn't there. If you understand. He was there, but he wasn't there. So his mother, she did it. Now complaining. Even now, I'm at soon 30. My soon 30. She stand firm like the rock of Gibraltar. I said she stand firm, I mean she stand firm. Yeah, man. Come mango juice so we make.
Too cold. You don't drink that warm from morning, man.
Hungry man, Jesus.
And the baked bean, you end up left it out and put it back in the fridge.
God know I'm hungry.
Cook now? You know cook?
For you come here, you not cooking now.
Can't cook.
You better blood clot learn. She think for her blood clot, she can make party. That's how she plan for live. Eh? Well, me go say she can't blood clot cook. Me go say she left her hand up in her mother big bumbo hole. Me, I go see if your hand left up in her fear mother bumbo hole because she got to cook today. Cause today,
Dumpling and banana.
I care zero where you want blood clot cook, you just got to cook. Look, mango juice nice. Nice.
But I really like him tired.
At 3 o'clock this morning, I'm coming.
Oh, you him just a come?
3 o'clock, me and him coming and then him getting back 5 o'clock.
I'm gone again.
And gone again. Him watch it, him put it bike and behind the van park and he put the bike behind it. So them sister yo Ray. And him say across the road I watch like security.
Yeah.
So I just sweat them. But to God be the glory. She come back in and she alright. Me can't talk to her.
Sweetie.
Me say sure me can drive the car now. Me
Take time to come.
surprise. Me can run any errands with Betsy. Me say lie.
Yeah.
Betsy have up and running 100%. Me not take the risk again.
Yeah.
Can imagine me and turn me a
That nervous system.
Bumbo clap Betsy goes and skin out.
The people that would have been there beep beep come know you drive slow now.
And you not coming fast?
You come fast? You
Yeah.
drive normal come up.
Yeah, because guess why? Him say I'm going to water just I took the she had the wheel drop off, the whole of the aisle they run out.
Oh, so you
That have to make it smooth, so him say I come sort it out. Me say last night I'm go and bend the car and come round reach a Puma gas station.
Yeah.
I say babes, I go and stop it. I say babes, and I say me not see nothing. So I turn it on back and go and press the spray. And she just spread out so tire Ghana east, blood clot Betsy go west.
No.
Just imagine me there on the highway.
Yeah, that turn over that flip. Cause the speed where you are going, that flip.
I remember the road, hill and gully.
Yeah, and the turning.
God is good all the time, all the time. God is good.
It just happened at that time.
I mean, I tell you, the last time I feel it in my guts. I mean, I tell babes, I just feel like I don't drive the vehicle go up.
Should us listen to your spirit.
I just feel like I have to give Rasta it and make Rasta hold it.
Yeah, I probably would have put same way, but sometimes I just so. But you see, when you pray, them things happen. Come out scratch
I can't
free.
complain, God is good.
Come out scratch free. May I show you when you pray.
I can just jump in that vehicle this morning and go down there.
Oh, yeah.
Say, I rate you, you know. I rate you, I do a lot of things. I like that, don't watch nobody go on the way I do. I mean, I tell them, say, me. But one thing about me, I'm unbothered bad. See that ugly big face girl there? Unbothered. So people, I'm going to give my husband some TLC!
In the care and loving. The man asleep right now.
Let me go in there asking me, I want to look a pum pum. If I were going there, say pum pum.
Mash up, please.
Ready.
Mash up.
Already. Listen, the Belizean man, terrible. You know, say no to pump up no time. But say I go do all of it, say I go do all of it. Ask some girl I chat to say I go do all of it. Go do all of it, say I go do all of it. Right now, on a pretty face, I do it. Stiff titty now, old man again. Your money now, old man again. Tell them say I go do all of it, say I go do all of it. No one pretty like kuna blood clots.
Right,
My son me have a good pum pum.
Not more.
Yeah.
That's
I turn candy upon them. Gather brother, gather. Chop.
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum.
Like you're not tired of that. You're not tired. You're not mash up another and that.
What? Chloe.
Yeah.
Chloe. Dad, this is bubblegum.
Yeah.
Ungle them or outside. No sir, people want to stop it and have nothing but to know. Yeah, I'm just reaching and I say go on vibes.
I wanna wish dance today, I mash down the place so that you come here and say this not right.
Girl, Betsy broke down one way. Me not left Betsy. Friend. Me not left Betsy. I love Betsy so tell.
I couldn't keep up after one. I say some dance them there enjoy.
No, Betsy skin out a road and turn over. Why Betsy do that? Betsy go say red. Yeah. I was sitting down and wait for Betsy.
Betsy should have do it in a day, bad to bad. Bad to bad and in a hour.
That hurt me. So Betsy then. Betsy back on the block. I love Betsy, Betsy. I'm going here, there and everywhere. I'm not feel mingle with people because sometimes you come out and you all tell people man and them don't want answer. So you have Betsy, you slack it.
Betsy say, "Body for people."
Yeah, Wally for drive me give people. I stop asking them where they go. You got city. I'm gonna take them up
From them
and
go
them.
city. That's all I want.
Yeah.
Or you know, yeah.
Can't afford for nothing to good old Betsy.
Betsy do a whole heap, man.
Yeah. But don't come in a plan for combo, you know. No, so I won't entertain my madness. I can't bother. We don't need to girl team R. Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Then not to that Friday. So let's be happy. And let's be jolly. She's a jolly good fellow.
Yeah, touch on them later.
I don't even know my plan for the day yet. Because I don't go in and stay and I do vlogging in the city. When you say something off the back out phone and say, hey, it's a girl team R. It's a Noah from Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, up in the people, them hometown. Yeah, and them husband just come and just got me husband, man, kiss him up and love him up.
At least I met early morning.
Yeah, don't it. So you don't know, I just go and vibes up, you see me? Yeah. That is it. It's your girl T-Mar. Like, share, subscribe. I am a Jamaican living in Belize. Boom! Don't know your girl is out. Yeah. Look, bro, and nice see Jesus. That a go on.
Man, I pushy and man, I pushy and think I'm baby for me. So,
Mr. I girl crush this man. Mr. I
behave.
Mr. I don't want to say all your Charlie boy now get to.
The 26. I just found new one last week, wait, 19.
Mr. I cool off, man. Cool off.
Cool after what gives that will make me happy. Okay, that will make me happy.
So like come in my 30s, me holding on.
Sometimes the fucking cock don't want to pick up, so I just eat the fucking pussy.
Tell us some side of fucking man. Besides, sometimes the cock don't want to get up and crow. So you know what time it is. We can't deal with my side, I swear to you. Besides, listen to me, you're there for retirement. The cock no need to get up now. You're working all the damn life.
I know that.
You don't feel like you want to rest now?
Rest. I'm fucking tired.
Fuck, man. Say, cool off, man. Mr. Jesus Christ.
Cool off, man. That will make me happy, babes. That will make me happy.
I look like our next man should go look for last night. That's a social crash. Fuck
Yeah, so anyhow, then done fan there. They want to go down the bureau, right? And but here I know, when they tell me they get crashed, when I go in the hospital and I say the right hand broke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we pass them last night?
Yeah. And then he left hand. Then the right hand, no, the left hand broke. And the right hand this side also ban up. So definitely that she made it drive. When I asked her if me drive, she said I am auntie me did drive. That's what he said. Well anyhow, when I am when I gone by tacos and I come back to the questioner, right? I say him, but how your auntie want to get leave it injured and she made the drive, right? Because for she you say he gonna cut by his face, right? And he jaw messed up by face, he swell up, right? So that knock the fucking steering wheel. But she said on she made the drive, right?
Oh,
Yeah, she said on she made the drive, but like I said, maybe I might be wrong, but he get one fuck lick. Kind of in a pain in the
so
hospital.
over
Yeah.
in the Walsh run or in the Sosa fence.
Him no, them same time they cut away. They cut off from the fucking wall and they barely scrape one that BDF sign where they there, right? And they where they end up.
Last night when me at this 12 o'clock, cause 12
Mm.
o'clock she film the pan. As me I come round the bending for come right to the
Mm.
Puma gas station,
Mm.
that I was the bus, the Ladyville bus there,
Mm.
you know that,
Yeah.
and they turn for going to
Mm.
turn. Me only,
Mm.
so me I say, me stop up, me say, babes, something sound underneath the bottom, and I say, me not see nothing, cause I turn it on again for press gas, me
Then my helmet cover
The
the
thing so you know
sponge cover my
yeah.
ears, so I know you didn't hear it.
Mm.
So I
Yeah.
saw when jump out now I look,
Look there.
the wheel turn
Done
so.
so. Yeah.
So you can see it jump right
Mm.
off.
Yeah,
So
he
I
come out.
say
He
and
come
the
out.
mechanic I say as screw in a screw down properly, but him have another mechanic I work with him because him full up.
Yeah, not fuck with them boy over
No,
there.
me
So
not use
then
them,
a
me not
thief.
use them,
All
me
of
not
them are
use
fucking
them, me not
thief. I
use
try
them.
with them and I want them threaten and I carry my vehicle and they still a whole heap of mother ass.
At the same thing. Me trust him, the one down there so.
Yeah, by the restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, he very good. He professional. He
Yes, I
professional.
him me use so him
Yeah,
jump.
Lozano.
Yeah, him
Lozano.
just jump in the vehicle and come and put her back together and tell me say yo, give him about a 2 hour and him come gas her up back and oil her up back and fix her up
Yeah.
back and she good to go. So
Yeah.
I mean, I work myself from him, but and I'm tell you, it's not him work on the vehicle. I'm second. Cause I know him good pan what him do.
Yeah.
You get what I say? But the second now take time out and do
Yeah.
what him for do.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's the
Exactly.
thing.
Exactly.
understand
What
me?
he need for do, that check recheck the
Second check,
fucking work
yes.
when them guys then do it, you know, cause he not
Yes,
professional.
because
That I could
him know
swear
what him
upon
a
to
do and him do him job good and he's very respectable.
you.
Me go give him that. He's
Yeah.
a fucking respectable professional
Yep.
person.
Yep.
Even if a mistake happen, him now go around him and say this happen. Can tell me say me go check it. I'll see what the problem I want to see what the problem Ray. And him just him drive with all them tools, them jack up the vehicle, do him for do everything. So me can't cuss.
Yeah. Yeah.
You get
yeah.
what me I say? So I will just say we'll get some food come have work 1 o'clock
Okay.
or
Yeah.
so.
I come
And
from my
then-
sister for carrying that town. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, later.
Yeah man,
Alright
look
then,
at
Mr.
more.
Hyde.